Hi, welcome to the Science Museum. My name's Sam and today we're looking at sound.
Sam and Alexandra demonstrate a variety of fun experiments in Wonderlab at the Science Museum. Title: Visible Vibrations.
Now my friend Alexandra is next to an exhibit we have here at the Science Museum called Visible Vibrations. So the sound from the speaker is bouncing off the end of the tube. That's why the bubbles are going both ways. The sound is travelling in waves, and turning this dial changes the frequency, which is how many waves are produced every second. Low frequencies have long waves, and high frequencies have short waves. Now think about this for when we change the frequency at visible vibrations, and think about how it sounds different. Back to Alexandra. Look what happens when the sound wave from the speaker and the reflected wave cross over. At a certain frequency, they add up in the middle, and when they do that, we say they resonate. Now this is a bit like being on a trampoline with someone else. When you bounce together at the same time, you bounce really high, and that's what's happening in our tube. The sound waves are meeting at the same point, they're bouncing together, and we get a splash of water. Now what happens if you don't bounce at the same time? You'll get a little bit wobbly and you end up bumping heads. Now when this is happening, there's no resonance in our tube. The sound waves aren't meeting up, so we're getting no splashes of water. Now let's go back to Alexandra when we're going to change the frequency, and remember to think about how it sounds. Let's see if we can get them to add up just right again. But this time, Alexandra is going to change the frequency. Remember to think about if the sound is different, and also think about where the splashing was before. So our sound waves are resonating again in the tube. But now they are in a different place and the sound is different. It's higher. So just like you can bounce together at different speeds on a trampoline, our sound waves can add together at different frequencies.
Science Museum Group.